Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the Sam's Club app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, go ahead and click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Profile underneath where it says Settings. So here you're going to see some blurred out personal information, but next to Password, click on Edit. And then on this page here, enter your current password, then enter your new password, then go ahead and click on Save. Additionally, you can also change your email and your phone number here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.